live.
Hello Bacha Party, I hope or we hope that you all are doing really good, and we know that your exams are nearing and probably you might not be very active up over here, but still there is something really useful we thought of that and we are going to launch that. It is none other than the sample paper solutions, as you can see over here. And obviously, as always, my hair does magic. So yes, it's a sample paper solution that we are going to launch over here today. And now I'll be handing over the mic to Aishwarya ma'am. She'll tell you the rest of the things. Yeah.
Okay. So students, we have planned this 99%, 99 days, 99% in 99 days journey, right? And this journey is really good so far. Okay, we have like put all our efforts. We're doing so many questions and solving revision, everything, right? So now, in these 99 days, we have almost completed like 61 days, ma'am? Yeah. So this 61 days is completed, and rest last 30 days or like some that days are left, okay? And since we thought that the chapters are done, revision is done, what else we can add on to your preparation? So for that, we thought that sample papers are something which is very helpful, and every student who is an aspirant of board must solve sample papers before going your exams, right? So that is why we have come up with this sample papers, and we are not just going to solve 1, 2 or 3. We will be solving 10 sample papers in science and 10 sample papers in maths to boost your preparation. Just not that we are coming and telling you the answers, we'll be telling you the marking scheme, how you need to write the answers, how you need to present the answers, what mistakes you should not do. So everything we will be discussing, right? So if you are someone who wants to get that top rank, top marks in your like 10th board, then please join this journey. Okay, so today we'll be telling you in detail about this, like how the classes will go on, schedule and everything we'll be giving you. Okay.
Yes. Okay, so
We have some students here. First, let us address them.
yes, we have Hema over here. A very good evening, Hema. Is it the previous years? I am going to talk about that only. So you guessed it correctly. So basically, first things first. When do you have your exam starting, my dear children? It's on 15. So I'll say 35 days are left. So the countdown has finally begun. We do not have much time to do here. Let's say roam around here and there, or probably invest our time into something else. So we thought, why not the sample paper? Now, listen to me carefully. The first sample paper that we are going to put up would be of the year 2024-25 batch. Okay, now that is given by CBSE itself, so you should be definitely practicing it, and after that we would be putting the previous year ones as well. In that way we would be putting 10 such sample papers. Now let me tell you one more very important thing. Any book that you buy, okay, any booklet that you buy for the sample paper practice, there are 10 question paper. So there they just provide solutions like written format. You might not be able to understand. So here there is one very big pro, that is we are there to give a detailed explanation, and especially it's not just about science. For mathematics you have Ankit sir, okay, who will be solely taking the responsibility of solving each and every question, whether it be an or question, anything, and clear all your little doubts that you're having. So be there, okay? You can ask your doubts also in the comment section. We expect a very active participation up over here. Now I'll be handing it over to Ankit sir itself, and let's see what he has to add up about this.
So as ma'am informed you, okay, first of all, let's thank ma'am to giving me this opportunity to talk to all of you. Okay, this is first time, right ma'am, we are on the channel. So very glad to be here talking to all of my bachas. So somebody who has missed out, don't worry, we'll again keep coming whenever we can live to talk to all of you. Okay, that's a promise. Now for this sample paper, why this is very unique? Because bacha, what happens now, even I was a student, right? Everybody has over here has been a student. When we start solving papers now, it gets boring at times. You know, we are not able to engage that much. We get stuck in a question, we skip to something else. Okay, we're distracted all the times. It may be challenging, you know, at some point in time. More than all of this, there are a lot of corrections which is there in sample papers. Okay, you will not find everything which is accurate. So for that we are here to help you, to assist you at every single step, okay, in solving the sample paper, which is very important part to your highest score that you are achieving, whatever the goal that you've set for yourself. To achieve that goal, this is the most important part, solving these mock papers. Okay, so we'll give you question papers, we'll give you again solutions also. Again, we'll explain you every single thing in detail, and as ma'am suggested, as ma'am told you about this, the marking schemes, what to avoid, how to get better, all of this will be discussed, bacha, in our sessions only. So even if you have been inactive for some reasons, this is the most important thing. You're going to spend time, more time to solve a paper, spend with us, complete that in 2 hours of time. 1.5 hour, 2 hours spend with us, okay, and complete that one sample paper directly, right? What best can be, that can happen to you for your preparation. And one more thing, this is going to be one. What is the charge, ma'am, for this sample paper series? Anything is there?
Yeah, it's very costly. Do you want me to tell the cost?
Yeah, please do.
Yes,
We can't
yes.
provide everything for free.
Yeah. So it's not at all for free. We need your 100% efforts. So I hope you can bear this much cost. Okay, I hope you can do that for us. So children, please don't think it's free, so you won't be watching it. We usually think that the paid thing are always important and the unpaid thing we take it for granted. But please do not take it for granted. It is really useful for you guys. And now I'll tell you the schedule, the rough schedule that we are having over here. For every week, you would be getting 2 sample papers from science, where there will be 3 videos from different teachers. For example, I will be giving solutions for biology. Okay, we have Aishwarya ma'am who will be giving solutions for chemistry, and then we have one hidden gem over here, Soumik sir, who would be solving questions from physics. So here is Soumik sir. Say hi, my dear children. So yes, that is how it is going to work. And alternative days you would be having science, and alternative days you would be having math. As I said, 2 sample papers a week, so you should be prepared for that. Okay, and please do not miss even a single sample paper. We are giving you 3-day rest, that is on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. There won't be any sample paper videos, but we would be putting down some other videos which would help you write your exams perfectly. So that's our plan. So is it going to be live or recorded? It is going to be recorded. Okay, but we assure you that we would be there while you're watching the video. If you have any doubts, we'll be definitely trying to clear it up. You can put it down in the comment section. That is our guarantee. We are going to clear this up.
And if you people have doubt, to help you that, we can come even weekly live for some time and clear your doubts. Okay, so do not worry for that. We will always be there to clear all your doubts. And one more thing, that many students might think that we haven't yet completed the syllabus. Should we do the sample papers or not, right? Many of your preparation might not be completed. So whether you have completed the whole syllabus or 50-80%, whatever, please do sample papers. Okay, this is what is like something which will boost your preparation, give you marks. You might have studied all the questions, but if you haven't solved even a single sample paper, your marks will go down. So make sure that even if your preparation is not good, please attend, because we are explaining you, right? So by those questions only you will prepare, and like some of the portions will be completed by solving sample papers. So solving sample papers is very important. So whatever is your preparation, please watch this next 10 sample papers that we are going to solve, right? So Soumik sir, you can add something here. Students are
Hello, Muhammad Izaz. So, thank you. It is going to be recorded, as ma'am said. And if you have any doubts, in my physics lecture or ma'am's bio lecture or chemistry lecture or maths lecture, always you are welcome to put some comments, and we reply within very less time. We reply generally almost instantly, because always ma'am is saying, sir, some students has commented in your video, or I say to other teachers that someone commented in your video. So we keep track of each other's videos, and we keep track of the comments that you are making, and we take pride of that you are liking our videos, right? So if you have any doubt, any questions, you can ask us in the video. Always during my lecture, if you have followed my lecture, I'll always mention that if you have any doubt, mention in the comment below. So you can do that always, and I will be there to answer those queries for you, right? I hope that clears any doubt. And this sample paper is going to be a game changer for you. It is not only going to be important, and it will also be practice material for your final PU exam. That is very important, right? You should know that how much I have to write, for how much writing I should get how many marks. So that is very important. Now, ma'am.
Yeah, so as a commonest doubt that we have is, what's the use of actually solving the sample paper? So here we have few points. First thing, it will give you a good clarity or the familiarity with the exam pattern you're having. So there might be some people who might just study about the theory and things like that, but do not practice questions. So this will give you a clear idea of what is the question pattern. Okay, there is 2-marker question, there is 3-marker question, how much you should be writing in a 2-marker, how much you should be writing in a 3-marker. You would get a clarity about that. That is the first thing. Second thing, improves time management. So most of the times, okay, when I went to the college, okay, the first exam that I had, okay, I studied everything, I knew everything, but I was not able to manage my time really well. So at that point of time, I realized that I should have been practicing questions with a timer as well. So over here, you will get an idea that 3 hours, this is the 3 hours that I'm doing, and how much amount of time should I be investing in each question. Okay, for example, for a 2-marker question, you should not be investing too much of your time. It's just a 2-marker question. You should be specific over there. So it gives you an idea about that. Now, the third thing, it identifies your strength and weaknesses. On the day of exam, if you write and basically when you go to write the exam, at that point of time, if you realize your strength and weakness, that could be deadly. So we do not want you to do that. As of now, when you are solving these sample papers, you will get an idea of where do you lack, what things should you be practicing more and all, especially when it comes to numerical subjects like you have math or basically physics. So you'll get an idea of it as well, and also you'll get to know your strengths, and it might boost your confidence really well. So why miss that opportunity? Last but not the least, as I said, it boosts confidence. So we want that on the day of exam, you should be 100% confident as well. So that is the use of sample papers, and we are not thinking to take this live very long. We just wanted to tell you. So from when do you think we will be live for this particular sample papers? It's on Monday. From Monday, we are going to start the sample papers. The first sample paper would be of science. Okay, so that's all. If you have any query, you can put it down in the live chat as of now, or else you can put it in the comment section as well. Cool.
We can mention the
Chemistry, biophysics in single video or separate? It would be separate video. Okay, we would be putting the number of for example, bio starts from 8th question. So I'll be putting question number 8 and I'll tell you the answer. So you will also get an idea of it. Okay.
So students, as we'll be solving different sample papers, so we will be giving you the PDF of the sample paper, question paper in our WhatsApp channel. Okay, so Diksha, the foundation WhatsApp channel is there, so link will be given after this. I'll be adding there, so please quickly join the WhatsApp channel and you'll be getting all the 10 sample paper question papers as well as the math sample paper question papers in our YouTube channel only. Okay, so please join that so that you can understand which question is being solved. Okay, so every sample paper will be numbered. In our video also it will be numbered. So, and the question it's not like suppose I am solving, so I'll be putting the numbers seriously serially. So however it is there in the question paper, the same numbers will be put and different videos will be there for PC and B, so that you don't get confused. So that is why you have to have the reference of the question paper, and that you will get in our WhatsApp channel. Okay, so please everyone join the WhatsApp channel. And okay, thank you Mohammed so much. So these all efforts are for your results, so make sure that you really study hard, put your efforts for the last 2 months, I'll say, not even hardly like 1.5 months. So put all your efforts now so that we can see you all people getting very good marks in your final board exams.
Also share this channel with your friends so that we get more and more subscribers. Ask your friends to subscribe if they have not done the subscription. This is going to be game changing for all your friends as well. So share this with your friends so that we get the motivation to make more such important videos for you, right?
Yeah, and one very important thing. So this channel is really small. Actually, this is a sister channel. We also have one more channel which is focused on 11th and 12th. And we thought, why we are not doing anything for 10th graders? They also have their exam, which is why we opened it. And we are putting a lots of efforts into this channel as well. So we need your efforts as well. Take it seriously, solve the sample papers, and that's all. Nothing else. Okay? Ankit sir, do you want to say anything or shall we wind up?
So ma'am, as ma'am said that every week 2 sample papers, 2 of science, 2 of maths. So yes, it's not going to be 1 maths, 1 science. There'll be 2 science papers, 2 math papers, again with some extra assist, extra help to push you and to get better in your preparation. And be sure that you are going to be commenting again in our live sessions that, sir, ma'am, we got this much marks. Okay, right now we are getting that you loved our sessions, you are getting motivated by our sessions, you are learning from our sessions, but we would like to see those comments at the end of the examinations after the results. Ma'am, so we refer your videos and we are getting this much marks. That's our goal, right? Because if we are here working, putting all efforts, it means after your efforts there will be a result. We want to see that as well. Okay, so I hope that is all right, ma'am. And with this, again, any other query you have after this live chat, do one thing: put your comments in the comment section of the video. Okay, so once the live chat ends, please put your comments, and we'll put the WhatsApp channel link in the comment only, so you can join from there. Don't forget to join. I keep mentioning it as well in the videos. It's very important that if you're learning, you have to have the notes. You go to school, do you not make any notes? Don't say yes, okay, if you don't make any notes. Okay, so even if you don't, it's a bad habit, but you have to make notes. Okay, some way you'll need it, right, before examination. This point you keep asking your friends, right, whoever has good handwriting, okay, to have the notes. So right now, don't do that. We have the notes available for all subjects, for in the detail, chapter wise, lesson wise plan is there. So please go ahead.
Ankit sir, example one shot.
सब करेंगे. We'll do all the things, बच्चा. Don't worry about all of that. Okay, I have taken that into account. We'll do that. First of all, whatever the content is available on the platform, make use of it, and give this comment in the comment of this video, because after live chat ends, we might not be able to see your comment. So please put this comment in the video's comment section. Okay, so and join the WhatsApp channel. That's a must. Okay,
Yeah,
Chali.
otherwise students will not get access to this question paper.
Yeah. Otherwise, this whole series will be not useful to you at all, because the thing is, as ma'am said, you might not be prepared 50%, 80%, or you might be prepared 100% of the paper. What you can do is, whatever you're prepared now, attempt that much only, but do make an attempt. Whatever you have done, what you do know when you make an attempt, you read the question, you try to understand even a half bit of it. So please attempt the paper, then you come back for the solution with us. When you see the solutions, what I'm doing, you get to know, okay, what I was thinking was right or wrong, because your first instinct has to be right. So if you're taking a wrong instinct, means it has to be corrected by us. Okay, so please read the questions, whatever you have learned, whatever you revised, prepared, just solve those questions, 50%, 60%, whatever you've done, do it right and leave the other questions. We'll solve it in our solution sessions. I hope this is clear, but join the WhatsApp channel for that first. Okay.
We'll show here just so students, you can see on 13th of Jan. Okay, so we will have Monday, that is you will be getting science sample paper of 24-25. Okay, so
A little change over here.
yeah. Okay.
13. Acha, okay. Sorry. Forgive me.
It's fine. Fine. So 13th Jan on Monday, it will be science sample paper of 24-25. Okay. And on 14th Jan, Tuesday, you will be having 24-25 math sample paper. Okay. So for this, remember, so we are not giving you the whole schedule. We'll be updating on every week on community post of our YouTube channel and on the WhatsApp group. Okay, WhatsApp channel. So please join both of them so that you do not miss any video, you do not miss it. Okay, so that's all students. If you have anything else to ask, you can ask, or else this was just just this last 30 days. Okay, let us make it really meaningful. Let us make our preparation to a higher level. Let us take it, and that's what we all want from you. And anything else if you want, like as you suggested, exemplar or some other thing also, if you want, please let us know. We will definitely take care of it.
So yes, definitely bombard us with lots of options to do, or would say ideas to cover up. Okay, we will be definitely helping you in whatever ways possible, day and night. It's nothing for us, for you guys. Okay, so that's all. So we'll end it up. So children, it was really a good thing that we could finally see you like this in live. And if you want more live sessions or things like that, definitely do not forget to comment, as everyone said. And we all are wishing you a very good evening, as well as a very good night. Have a peaceful night. From Monday onwards, we have to solve a lots of questions. So yes, that's all. Bye bye from all our end.
Yes. Bye students.